Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to recover end-to-end encrypt chats in Messenger, so let's start. So first let's go to Messenger account and then let's go to the right hand corner here in the three lines. Then let's go to settings. Let's check if the encrypt chat is turned off. Then let's go scroll down to privacy and safety here, and then let's go to end-to-end encrypt chats. Here as you can see my message storage. Let's click here, and if you want to turn off your encrypted chats, just go on turn off security storage and click on continue. When you do it, for recovering your messages, let's back and then let's scroll down and let's go to account center. So let's go here and then just scroll down a little bit and let's go to your information and permissions. Then here let's go to download your information and then just click here on download or transfer information. Select the account that you prefer to download the messages. In this case is Facebook account. Then let's click on next. Let's select specific types of information here, and then when we are here just select messages, then click next, then click on download to device, and then just click here on the delay range. You can select that's week, that's month, let's use months. So just click on saved and then just click on your email if you prefer to change, and then just click on create files, and it's done. So that way you will download your messages, encrypt chat, and that's how you can recover them. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.